Well, he attack me. But Jayden chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase, and yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, from the teacher tell the gleaner, say what? None of them alone make stars. We make stars as well. We feel like feelings are carry. Now, after news broke about Little Addy, I must still say congratulations. You know, can't tell me if I say nothing else. Someone wrote a letter to the editor, and the editor chose to make that letter public. And the letter read, "It is rather unfortunate that at a time like this, when our children's advocates should be vocal, they are so silent. What I am speaking of, you may ask. The case of a young lady at the age of 18 years old becoming pregnant by Vybz Kartel Palmer's son. Now, why them go through that lengthy process to say Vybz Kartel's Palmer's son? When at the same time, Little Addy is a dancehall star. And them know him full name. Them know him full name. Them are trying to paint a picture with Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers as a scapegoat to the plan. Now, Vybz Kartel has responded, viewers and subscribers. It never did ever just go so. Now, the teacher said, the Gleaner is a propaganda newspaper. And in reality, because me know this, and me notice this, especially in the entertainment sector. Recently, me noticed them say, Shatta Wale, king of Ghana dancehall, but them refuse to pay respects to Vybz Kartel as the Jamaican king of the dancehall, while that Guyana dancehall king was saying Vybz Kartel inspired him. Yeah, him said they work closely with the government/police as the avenue in which they use to brainwash impressionable minds to serve their totalitarian agenda, though sometimes acting as a sort of control resistance. And in reality, viewers and subscribers, at certain intervals, especially in our history, we notice certain media conglomerate either step in to publicize certain events or to not speak of them at all. And as I said, them can look all the way over Africa and see the Shatta Wale are the king. And all Shatta Wale talk about a Vybz Kartel and big him up. All them not acknowledging that same breath that Vybz Kartel is the king of Jamaican dancehall. It's clear the agenda is that they don't like the teacher, viewers and subscribers. It's clear. Big media seem to have a problem with Vybz Kartel, and him say know the reason why. It's because their interests are heavily aligned with that of the government or the powers that be, the ones who don't want to see the teacher freed. Him said clear to him because the statements in which, you know what I mean, and the articles with them publish a conglomerate like that, a Gleaner. We have doing it for years now. They know the difference between speculation and facts. They know the difference between just another tabloid story and the truth. But we notice them put the truth on page 40 and the story them, the little speculations, little propaganda type news, I hit them on the front page. I hit them tab up on the front page. This was a letter to the editor, and them choose to make it public because what them are trying to say, them are trying to say this is what the people need to see. They must say the people need to hear. We not agree with them at no point in time, viewers and subscribers. We not agree with them at no point in time. I will say this though. I will say this. So the major media outlets, everybody play a role. But always remember this. Just like I hear somebody has said recently, and all the time when them put out certain reasoning for our benefit as a people. And a story like this, situation like this, made them talk about the parents that keep baby shower. It wasn't a baby shower. It was a birthday party. And the cake where them a cut say happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. She just turned 18. I'm gonna say what the whole heap of reason and the whole heap of chattings about. I'm gonna say why them a try to make it look like say are the teacher. Them go out of them way for make the statement like, oh, Vybz Kartel for keep in mind say, oh, teacher and Ray. But then again at the age of 18 it wouldn't be nothing wrong though. Just a show them a try to keep the teacher's name in the life. They try to paint a negative picture of the Palmers and their legacy. Them don't want the legacy to stand up strong in a dancehall music. Maybe some people say, yo, don't compare Bob Marley with teacher. Nobody not compare nobody with nobody. Remember this, achievements made by one individual will always be remembered. There's no comparisons, even if we are awarded the same award. There is no competition and that precedence. We are just simply pointing out that Marleys have a strong legacy in our reggae music. It's because Bob the music, Rita the music, and the youths the music. The Palmer's legacy has been established. The father the music, the mother is the music executive, and the youth them are the music. One. Me not say one. What is the criteria for being the first family of dancehall music? Tell me. Me go say if the Palmers have not met the criteria. But other than that, the Palmers are the first family of dancehall music currently. And some people don't like that. And they might do anything in them power to tear down the legacy, the history of the Palmers. They don't want to see Vybz Kartel and them youth them. Somebody make a statement that say, oh, no matter what go on, nobody now gonna prosper. And the facts of them realize that them statements not bear no fruit. Now they might use them words again. But try to say, what you know, this shouldn't be something they must celebrate. Look how they must celebrate it. Yo, you know what? We're not going to start about no gloom and no doom. As a matter of fact, we're going to reassure the youth them say watching on the future bright. No matter worry about the naysayers that say, in the media. Nah, so the media work. When you are somebody to be talked about, you will be mentioned. You have arrived, mama. How's that go on? You have now arrived on the scene. Definitely a good look. Know what I mean? Yeah, definitely a good look. From people that talk about it to this level, it'll come like when some regular people get involved with celebrities and then overnight become celebrities themselves. And that go on with one picture, mama, the whole world want to know who you. The whole world want, you know what I mean? Know everything about you. Definitely a good look. Who laid up I? So nobody make, you know, naysayers to them. Gleaner, you don't have to know what I'm doing. And the teacher is very vocal. Very song will drop a man. Remember man, song will drop a man to remind the people and say, yo, them people, you know, the claim say, them a put out the rain. The news of the day. More than the news of the day. So definitely, as something them to think about, we don't feel them to cross that. We don't feel them to build a bridge there and cross it with the teacher. No, sir. We don't feel them to build a bridge there and cross it with the teacher. And the teacher never all time way if you get irate or, you know, cuss or vent or rain. Must point out the fact say, yo, them people, you know. Or some people, or some other people tell them to say on them stage just because them can benefit from it, you know. Them not do it for the good of the people. Them now bring you information based upon the facts here. Them want to bring you information. They might bring a certain type of information to have you pre in the world a certain way. Teacher said. The teacher pointed out. And they would not need them to try for what? Make it look away from the teacher, viewers and subscribers. So, me that say, yo, whether they might want to say this, whether they want to say what, yo, it was warranted. That's all I can say. Because it was provoked. That's all we have said, viewers and subscribers. We don't see why some people make such a big deal out of a situation that has already taken place. And the fact that everybody involved is taking responsibility. The fact that they might take responsibility for their actions. You know, that's what talk about, you know. That's the lesson to be learned. By the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, just a share on the blog. In truth, viewers and subscribers, comment section open 24/7, never lock yet. Share icon in close proximity. Can tell a friend, tell a friend. Yes, for tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, join the discussion, join the reasoning via the comment section. As I said before, never lock yet. Let's be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But yeah, man, we can all continue reasoning via the comment section. So drop in a comment, viewers and subscribers. The Gleaner get page. The Gleaner get page. Our move settings from our need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours. I'm gonna live, love, and prosper until the reason again.